Happy New Year's Eve, everybody. Oh my goodness. It's Thursday. New Year's Eve is tomorrow. Cannot believe it. And today's project is all about fresh starts, beginning of the new year, and what's your choice? What are you going to choose? Are you going to choose one day or day one? That's what this project is about. Something cute. Make it for yourself. Put it on your desk and make sure that you're choosing day one every single time. Okay? No more of that someday. Make it day one. All right, you guys, here we go. So love our board and base. So that's what I'm using today. If you want to get the shopping list for this, it's right in the description of the video. We have the cute one-day transfer. I'm going to label the back. And we're going to do some of my favorite color combos on this. We're going to do gold and white. This is our boutique surface, so I don't need to wax it. It's completely water washable. And I really don't even need to fuzz it. You can place it down and peel it up really easy because it's our patented boutique surface. So I'm just going to go ahead and place this closer to the top because I know that it's going to fit inside of the base and it will take up part of that. So you're going to be able to see it, but part of that goes in there. A good half an inch or so goes in there. So I'm going to put it close to the top and I'm going to get my mini squeegees ready. And we're going to do, let's see, one day, or this is going to be really easy, you guys. I guess I got to do it up and down. So this is just white on black, which is super classic and stunning always. When you add in the gold, that shimmer, it's amazing. All right, so sometimes your shimmer paste, like this gold is, you want to go over it a little extra to make sure it all went through the silk screen and that you don't have any spots. Naked. You don't want any naked spots. Save that for tomorrow. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Did I just really say that? It was a joke. All right, let's peel and reveal, guys. Peel and reveal. Oh, hey, while I'm revealing, I'm going to tell you, ooh la la, look at that, one day or day one. I'm going to go head over and wash this off. While I am, go ahead and check out what you can do. If you're brand new, go ahead and type add me in the comments. That way you'll get an invite from me to join my free group where you'll find more ideas, more inspiration, and of course, insider information all about my business, my crafty business, and Chalk Couture. If you haven't joined our club, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and type club in the comments and I'll send you the link so you can learn more about what our club is. It's a subscription box that you get, a project kit every single month, and you get VIP perks. OMG, check out the club. And last but not least, if you're curious about becoming a designer, the easiest way to learn more about it is to type team. I'll send you a link, you request to join, I'll let you in, you watch a video, and voila. So easy. Just type Team TEAM in the comments. This is going to be a cute one for my desk. I have this cute calendar thing that always gives me like a little motivation, inspiration for the day. So this will go right next to it on my desk. During Halloween, I had the witches in, the witches out. Appropriate at times. Okay, now this is not done. We need to decorate our base. So let me close up my inks. Do that. And I've got some jute here. I'm going to wind this around my base a couple times. There we go. And then I need a little more. So hold on. There we go. It's hard to know how much you're going to need, but there I have it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and make this little thing. Now, I have pre-cut some fabric strips. These are ribbon strips. I'm like, I've lost my mind. And I'm just going, some of them are gold and white, off-white a little bit. Some baker's twine, black, and the beloved gold beaded dangle. All right here. And I'm just going to tie another knot. If I can. If I can't, I'm just going to pretend like I can. It's a little stressful doing it live. All right, so we got this knot through. I'm going to tie it tight and do it twice. When I do it this time, I'm going to pull it sideways so everything kind of falls in line. I'm going to pull the dangles down. There we go. I'm going to trim this and this. I'm going to unwind some of this, unravel some of these stringy things that I like to unravel. There we go. Ah, perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now, I want this looking this way. So what I'm going to do, I am not hot gluing this to the base. I am hot gluing the bow part to the rest of the jute that is wound around behind it. So it's very important for you. I did not, because I reuse these like crazy. So I don't want any permanent decor on here unless I want it to be permanent, but I don't. So now I'm gonna kind of pull it out. There we go. All right, here is our big reveal. OMG. Hey, you guys, don't forget, until tomorrow at 11:59 p.m., we still have that awesome sale going on right on my website. right there. So 50% off for customers, 60% off for club members. So get that club. Look how cute. So cute and easy, guys. This is a great beginner's project. If you want the shopping list, just look in the description of this video. Has the link. It'll take you right to the cart with the surface and the transfer and the chalk paste. Everything except for the embellishments were from my home. All right. Well, tomorrow's the day, New Year's Eve. It's going to be a little wild Friday. So in lieu of that, I'm going to go to bed, get a good night's sleep, and I will see you back here at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. All right, everybody. Bye, guys.